Hi, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings, and this is a video with the Najell or Najell wrap carrier. So this is pre-tied and sized. So before you get one of these, you need to go to their website and have a look at the size guide and see which size you need. This is not a carrier or a sling that's going to be able to be worn with different adults unless you're exactly the same size. So to get this on, it's much like a t-shirt. So the back of it has these straps on, which you'll see what they do shortly. So we're going to pop it on like a t-shirt, and your head will come through that bit there. Then we have on the front, we have these two straps here which create a cross, and then this extra little pouch at the bottom, so that can be pulled down, so it literally can fit like a t-shirt. So this is actually really great for doing skin to skin and stuff like that. So this pouch here, just get that down out the way, and these are the two bits that baby's going to go in. So we're going to pop baby up onto one of your shoulders, and the one that's closest to your body, you'll start with that one, and that will go around baby's leg and sit into the pit of their knee, and then do the same on the other side. So it's into the pit of their knee, and then just allow their bottom to drop down. If you have a real newborn, their legs are likely going to be a bit more squished up like that, but the doll's toes poke my tummy, so I don't do it. So you want baby to be nice and high on your chest. We're going to spread the fabric out here. So that one that was on the inside, you start with that one, and this is going to come over baby from knee to knee, shoulder to shoulder. Same on the other side. From knee to knee, shoulder to shoulder. So they're really well covered with that fabric. And then the extra pouch on the front is going to come up. Just be careful when you're lifting it up that you're not trapping baby's feet inside there, because there's some little bits of fabric that you don't want to get them caught on. The top of this will come up to baby's neck. So that will be baby nice and snug in there. I think it's designed to be left down like this, but I'm not a fan of baby's feet being tucked inside fabric. So I've just been pulling that up and just tucking it over the top of baby's legs. Then you can find your straps here. These are designed to come round over baby's knee pits and tie under baby's bum. So this just sort of provides a little bit more support. You can fan the shoulders out, and it comes with these little ties, which I really like, so you can get the fabric away from baby's face and make them nice and safe. So once they're in, we do our safety checks. We make sure that baby's head is nice and high on the firm part of our chest. We make sure their airways are clear and visible at all times, and their body should be snug against yours. They shouldn't be able to slump or fall. If they are not snug enough, then this is too big for you and you need to buy the smaller size. So this is why these sized carriers are really important, that you get the perfect size, because otherwise babies aren't supported safe enough. So baby's nice and high, nice and snug against your body with nice, clear, visible airways. And this is really great for nice, quick, easy to put on, and no tying and no adjusting, but you have to make sure that it is the exact right fit for your body. But other than that, I quite like them. And then when you're ready to sort of pop baby out, you can just pop their legs out of that third layer. You can undo that knot if you want as well. Pop these back and then slide baby out. And as I said, these can be great to be used as skin to skin with no clothing underneath while you're in the house, or you can pop it on over your t-shirt and use it out and about if you want as well. If you have any other questions, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to help.